feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Sliced deli meat lasts 3 to 5 days in the fridge when stored in an airtight container. Always check for sour smells, slimy texture, or color changes before eating. If anything seems off, throw it away. Staying cautious helps keep you safe and prevents foodborne illness.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.